Hi, my name's Anson Bui, and I am a senior trial attorney at Cohn and Swartzon. We do personal injury law here. When you're at the accident scene, the first thing you want to do is make sure to check on yourself and to check on your passengers to see that everyone's okay. Once you've done that, get out of the car and you can talk to the other driver. Make sure you're pulled over somewhere safe, by the way. So if this occurred on like a freeway, for example, you want to pull over to the shoulder, and if it happened in the middle of the street, you want to pull over to the side of the road, maybe near the curb, so it's safer. And once you do that, you can talk to the other driver and exchange information. So make sure that you have your driver's license and your proof of insurance. You're going to exchange that with the other driver. A couple other things that I would do if you have time to do it is to take some pictures of the vehicles involved. So take pictures of your own vehicle, but also take pictures of the other vehicle to show the damage. And if you're able to take pictures of any debris that's left on the street, that'd be great. If this is an accident that you didn't move your car beforehand, before doing all this, because let's just say it was a parking lot accident, and you didn't move your car yet, you want to spend some time, take a picture or two of the location of the vehicles and the position of the vehicles before you move it, because that can be used later on to help out your case. Other things you want to consider if this is an accident where you believe there's going to be some argument as to who caused the accident, you do want to call the police so that they can write a report, they can take down witness statements. And along those same lines, if you get the witness's contact information, that would be very helpful, especially in cases where the other side is claiming that you did something wrong. If they're claiming that you ran the red light or you didn't stop for the stop sign, and there's an independent witness who doesn't have any stake in the case, if you can get that person's information and they get their statement taken later on, that's a very powerful tool for your case. So that you can let the other driver know, like, no, this person saw what happened and they're going to support the story. Of course, last thing you want to do, not last thing, but one of the things you want to do is to reach out and call us so that we can give you a free consultation to let you know what type of case you have, what kind of options you have. And if you do end up getting some medical treatment because you're injured, then you can go ahead and focus on getting better, and then let us focus on everything else on the legal side. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Anson Bui. I'm a senior trial attorney at Cohn and Swartzon. Please reach out to us if you have any car accidents or if you suffer a personal injury. We're here to help you.